We told you we were watching for some key cases, including one on free speech. That decision is in. It's a decision on school students and how far or not a school can go in punishing them for something that they say or do outside the classroom. I want to bring in NBC News Justice correspondent Pete Williams now. And Pete, you're going to explain the case here. This involved a cheerleader who was upset she didn't make the cheer squad, posted something on Snapchat, and the justices are now, I believe, deciding in her favor?
Yes, that's the simple explanation of the decision. This is an 8-1 decision written by Justice Stephen Breyer. It sets aside the lower court ruling, which was an absolute ruling that said schools can never punish students for what their expression is off campus. So that is gone. The Supreme Court has basically overturned that completely uniform ruling. And what they're basically saying is the facts in this case didn't warrant the suspension of the student from the cheerleading altogether. Now, remember what happened here. She was on the junior varsity cheerleading team. She tried out for the varsity. She didn't make it. She posted this Snapchat thing on a Saturday off campus at a malt shop, criticizing the school, using the F-bomb 4 times. And for that, she was suspended from the varsity team. And her parents sued. It was the Third Circuit Court of Appeals that said, look, the schools can certainly discipline students for what they say on campus that's disruptive or harmful to the educational mission, but they can't touch anything the students say off campus. So the Supreme Court doesn't go that far. It just says that in her case, this was the punishment didn't fit the crime, in essence, is what they're saying. So I'm not sure that this tells us a lot. I'm not sure this gives a lot of guidance to the nation's schools who are really looking to this case to say, you know, we've got students that are off campus for long periods of time during the pandemic with remote learning. Students have just constant access to social media. They're messaging each other all the time. What are we going to do? I think basically this stands for the proposition that schools can still punish students if what they say off campus is really disruptive and harmful, but that this was a fly, you know, this was the nuclear weapon on a fly here in this case.
Right. And Pete, I'm glad you're getting into this point, because that's really my question, right, is what are the broader implications when it comes to free speech? Because that is what folks have been looking to. It seemed like in oral arguments there was some tea leaf reading going on, that the justices were really skeptical that, as you put it, that the punishment fit the crime. I know your shot is flashing, people. We still have you. So you make the point, it's not like the country's schools got a ton of guidance from the Supreme Court out of this decision today. Are there further implications when it comes to, you know, freedom of speech for students here, or is this just very narrow applying to this particular case?
Well, in the 1 minute that I've had to study the decision, I'd say it's very narrow. Remember the really important case here that was the precursor here. This was during the Vietnam War when some students wore black armbands to school. And the Supreme Court said students and teachers don't shed their First Amendment rights at the schoolhouse gate, but that schools can punish students for their expression. They certainly have First Amendment rights, but they can be punished if their expression is disruptive or harmful. And I think based on this decision here, in the little time we've had to study it, that option is still open if a student's off-campus expression is truly threatening, bullying, threatening violence, that kind of thing. So it's not an absolute hands-off, but it basically says, you know, what she did in this case is not disruptive. We don't really need to go there.